Leaders of the future. We're going to really get into cracking the code in this video. So pay attention. So far, we've provided a basic foundation leading into one of the most important subjects for getting ahead. Take a moment right now to go visit those previous videos if you have not already. It will only go to serve you better in your execution of the following strategies. This video will serve to begin the next step of our very first video, introducing you to the first steps to becoming a leader of the future. Specifically, we will begin the second step of our three-part series right now. You must get your vision and your mind right in order to take action and get the most out of this. We've talked about the masses that do the bare minimum, expecting a promotion to fall in their lap. There are also plenty who are dependable, responsible, and work tirelessly. Have you ever thought hard work alone is the answer? That is certainly a piece of the equation. Here's the secret: your leaders have a specific vision for what success looks like. Taking initiative. Unfortunately, leaders aren't always the best at communicating this, or maybe they simply don't understand that what they communicated was not received as they intended. Often, leaders are very busy. Even if not physically, then with all the responsibilities they have swimming around in their head. Of course, just as likely, maybe initiating conversations isn't their strong suit. That's where you come in. Be proactive. Approach your supervisor, manager, or lead and ask them directly, what are the key things you look for in an employee who wants to get ahead? Think of it like a test. Imagine your job as a test you want to ace. By asking this question, you're essentially getting the answers up front. You'll learn exactly what your leaders value most. Are they looking for someone who takes on extra tasks? Someone with a knack for problem solving? Maybe it's someone who consistently demonstrates a positive attitude. Now you know what to focus on. Be upfront about your goals. There's no shame in wanting to move up. In fact, your leaders will likely respect your ambition. Don't brag to everyone, but have a conversation with your supervisor. Let them know you're interested in growth and development within the company. Remember, your initiative and willingness to learn will set you apart from the crowd who just goes through the motions. So take charge, ask questions, and show your leaders you're hungry for success. Let me know in the comments below, what are some ways you take initiative at work? What has been the reception from leadership? In the next immediate videos, we will expand more upon engaging your leaders, finding mentors, and establishing mentorships, networking, and creating alliances with other high-worth individuals. Also, if you found this information helpful or interesting at all, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and secrets for becoming a leader of the future.